In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to generate a standard operating procedure, SOP, using Docsie's AI generative content feature on Docsie platform. Look in the upper right corner of your screen and click on User Options. Click Workspace Settings, which will take you to the Profile and Settings page. In the Editing and Languages section, locate and select AI generative content. Click Define a new action. Fill out the details in the dialog box. Don't forget to give special attention to the prompt field. That's where you'll tell the AI what to do. Once you've entered everything, click Create Rule to save it. Click the arrow icon in the top left corner to head back to your library. On the Workspace dashboard, check out the left sidebar and pick a shelf that contains the article you want to edit. Select an article from the shelf and click Edit Document to open it in editing mode. Select the part of the text you want the AI to work on. Look to the right sidebar and click on Write Assist. It's the pen on a notebook icon framed picture. The sidebar will expand, showing AI generative content options. Find the rule you created earlier. In the prompt field, you'll see the instructions you set up. With your text highlighted and the rule selected, click Run Action. Not happy with the result? No problem, just click Rerun Action to give it another go. Once the output looks good, click Append to Selection, or another action type you prefer. Double-check the updated text to ensure it meets your expectations and SOP standards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.